Zion National Park and its surrounding areas are steeped in rich history and natural beauty, which have given rise to several intriguing tales of hauntings and eerie legends. Here are some of the most notable haunted locations and trails near Zion. Grafton Ghost Town. Located just outside Zion, Grafton was once a thriving settlement in the 19th century, but was abandoned due to floods, disease, and conflicts. Between 1847 and 1900, emigrating Mormons settled about 500 villages in west and southwest Utah to claim territory and seek self-sufficiency. Cedar City, Parowan, Santa Clara, near St. George, Rockville, and Springdale began as such farming settlements. Grafton was settled in 1859 by 5 families from nearby Virgin. The main crop grown in Grafton was cotton, which was sold to benefit the Mormon state. Southwest Utah, including Santa Clara and Washington City, were known as the Cotton Mission. Settlement planning and these missions were an organized plan from the head of the church in Salt Lake City to make the Deseret a prosperous new territory. Over the next 7 years, the settlement grew to be the second largest in the Virgin Valley, with about 168 residents. Only Virgin was larger. But then the settlement encountered a litany of floods, diseases, and accidents. When Indian relations grew sour in southern Utah, the small, scattered settlements of the Virgin Valley grouped together in nearby Rockville in 1866, but later resettled back in Grafton. The schoolhouse building you can visit today was built in 1886, when the town was thriving and had enough families to support a schoolhouse. 2 decades later, however, Grafton would become ghost town due to loss of farmland and the building of the Hurricane Canal, which caused most families to pack up and move down the hill to the Hurricane Bench Fin 1906 in hopes of easier farming. Today, visitors can explore its deserted schoolhouse, barn, and cemetery. Many report unsettling feelings, and some claim to hear children's laughter or see apparitions of a woman wandering the grounds. Jolly Gulch is one of the most popular ATV trails on Zion Ponderosa property, running past the haunted Jolly Cabin to a dry gulch. The spine-tingling tale of Jolly Gulch begins with a family that arrived in East Zion in the early 1900s to raise cattle. Mr. Jolly arrived first to get established, then moved his wife and 2 children to Zion that spring. But the scorching summer heat brought a drought, and water was scarce. Desperate and dehydrated, Jolly led his family to a dry waterfall. And let's just say it didn't end well for any of the Jolly family members. Legend says that if you stand at the edge of the gulch and feel the wind blowing at your back, Mr. Jolly is trying to push you over the edge. But if you feel the wind blowing at your face, that's his wife trying to save you. Hog Allen's grave. In the North Fork area of Zion, the grave of Albert Hog Allen Smith, a sawmill worker from the 1890s, is marked by a peculiar legend. It's said that on certain nights, a mist settles over his grave, believed to be his spirit returning to dance. While this tale adds a mystical element to the area, it's more folklore than documented fact. The Subway Trail. This challenging 7.2-mile hike through Zion's Left Fork Canyon is renowned for its stunning beauty and treacherous terrain. While not traditionally haunted, its remote and rugged nature, combined with the eerie sounds of water flowing through narrow passages, can evoke a ghostly atmosphere for some hikers. While Zion National Park is not widely recognized for traditional ghost stories, its rich history and dramatic landscapes have inspired numerous legends and tales of hauntings. For those intrigued by the supernatural, exploring these sites can offer a blend of natural beauty and eerie intrigue. This has been National Park Mysteries.